Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Because I've been waiting for several minutes, yeah, almost 15 minutes. There is no one who joined the conference meeting, so I will give you a brief review and also record it, yeah, so you can. Okay, hello, Mbak Handayani. You are the first one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully, because previously I just recorded the meeting and tried to upload it in the e-learning website, but you came finally. Thank you. It is still recorded, but I will share a little bit about XBAR theory. Then you are going to prepare about your final examination about XBAR. Yeah, first part is about XBAR descriptive analysis. Then the second one is about the XBAR tree analysis. Yeah. Okay. Then maybe the rest, your friends will continue to follow this meeting because it's already started in 15 minutes ago. So it's better for us, to go in a hurry. I will try to share screen. Yeah, one of the materials related with XBAR. Yeah, this is the XBAR theory that you have it in your own materials. Yeah. So the differences between XBAR and the tree analysis. If the tree analysis, they, yes, you take a look on page 151, in uh, Andrew Carney book in your file. Yeah, as you see, this is a very familiar way. Yeah, we analyze the big book of poems with the blue cover. Yeah, in the traditional method, because we learn traditional method first, we learn the basic analysis first. It's like flat structure. This is no wrong. This is just traditional analysis. Yeah, so we have this point of view first before meet. Yeah, you did it as your analysis. Okay, what is the determiner? What is big? This is adjective. What is book? This is noun. What is of? What is poem? What is with? Nah, this is the shorter way. Itu kita akan ada ini familiar dengan cara ini. We got it with a triangle. Triangle is like a summary of phrase. In big, it means this is big adjective, then comes into adjective phrase. So the big book, big here, and then of poems. We comes to preposition and also the poems itself, noun. Lalu digabung of poems itu noun with the preposition. This is prepositional phrase. Nah, this is the shorter way. And then with the blue cover, of course, with the preposition, the determiner, blue, the adjective cover noun. Then with it comes up with the upper phrase. What is prepositional phrase? So the big book of poems with the blue cover, with the blue cover, with this traditional analysis, it comes into this flat structure analysis, that we have a C command, dominance, dan sebagainya. So the problem is about that we do not have distinction with the terms of this flat structure, with one which one is the C command, which one is the dominance. So that's why it is flat, still flat. Nah, from the point of view of this constituency, we go to another way, namanya XBAR. Nah, XBAR itu singkat karena ini review ya. Nah, this is the XBAR analysis. The same constituent, sama tadi, the big book of poems with the blue cover, tapi but the way of our analysis is different. We have a different point of view. If you see this point 4, ya, there is additional information, ya. This fact seems to point to more deeply embedded structure for the NP. Jadi memang kesatuannya NP, tapi kita harus tahu deeply embedded structure. Nah, dengan simbolnya bar, ya. Ini ada N1 bar, N2 bar, N3 bar. Nah, ini di sini istilahnya kalau dalam topiknya X, ya, X bar. Itu X replace another constituent. Kalau yang headnya itu non, ya N bar. Kalau headnya adjective, ya A bar gitu. Kalau headnya verb, ya V bar dan lain-lain. Nah, itu hanya penamaan, ya. Nah, di sini kalau di beberapa meeting, in the previous meeting, you learn about several terms, right? We have specifier, right? We have adjunct, ya. Here sekalian, ya, walaupun topiknya di bawah, tetapi kita bahas contoh ini, ya. We have specifier. Di sini satu contoh, one constituent can explain several topics, ya. Specifier is the word, ya, here, the, di sini determiner, that is the daughter of its constituent and then the sister of n bar. Nah, berarti posisinya kan paling atas ini. Tapi ingat, Andrew Carney explanation and also other references. If we talk about specifier, apa namanya, with another name, ya, we can have it with complement, ya, adjunct, head, itu that's the complete structure. Tapi tidak semua, ya, not 100% constituent in our language have this structure. Jadi mungkin di structure tertentu, di konstituen tertentu tidak ada specifier-nya, yaitu normal, ya. Oh, tidak ada adjunct-nya, ya, that's normal. Tapi kita jelaskan kalau semua itu ada susunan-susunannya, ya, specifier, adjunct, complement, and of course head, ya, head. Nah, di sini headnya mana? Ya, namanya NP, non phrase. Pasti headnya N. Nah, kenapa ini diturunkan menjadi N bar, N bar, N bar? Karena ini pokoknya. Book. Here, book is the head. Jadi the book itu headnya, ya. Lainnya adalah pelengkapnya, ya. Kita bahas tadi specifier apa? Specifier tadi previously said that specifier is the daughter of the N bar and the daughter of its constituent and the sister of N bar. Nah, ini daughternya kan cuma D, determinernya ini, ya. Lalu ini jadi sisternya. Nah, itu. Kemudian kalau kita bahas adjunct. Nah, adjunct mana adjunct? Adjunct is the daughter of N bar and also the sister of N bar. Nah, N bar dan N bar jadi daughter dan juga dari sister jadi big. Big is the adjunct, ya. Lalu complement. Kalau complement bukan beda, bukan N bar and N bar, daughter of N bar and sister of N bar, tetapi daughter of N bar, but the sister of the head. Nah, paling head itu kan paling bawah ini, book. Jadi of poems ini yang apa namanya complement. Of poem tadi adalah daughter of N bar, tetapi sister of the head. Itu rangkumannya, ya. Jadi teman-teman tetap menggunakan analisis. Use the part of speech basic. Ya, part of speech tentu tidak berubah. Kalau the an itu artikel, ya, determiner. Kalau noun, ya part of speech of noun. Kalau adjective, part of speech of adjective. Tapi perubahan analisis dari yang flat ke X bar itu yang teman-teman ubah. Ya, di X bar ini kita analisis ini apa susunannya, ya. Kalau dalam istilahnya, terminologinya tadi sudah dibantu menjadi adanya specifier, ya, dari specifier, there is an adjunct. Di sini adjunctnya 2 ya, big and with the blue cover. Lalu ada complement, lalu ada head-nya sendiri. Nah, head-nya ini bedanya dengan flat structure, ya ini kalau X-bar analysis, setiap ke atas sampai ke konstituennya itu adalah N-bar. Nah, membedakannya ya hanya ditulis numbering ya, N-bar 1, N-bar 2, N-bar 3. Yang jelas head ini mengarah ke N-bar analysis. Nah, itu ujiannya. I cannot say in a specific way, ya. Saya tidak akan menjelaskan rinci untuk ujiannya because the examination, your final examination is not a project. Ya, this is an essay. Then you need to prepare, and the essay, of course, previously. That's why you can consider this last meeting as a clue for the final exam. Yeah, but the D-Day, the time for you to do the examination is just 24 hours on the D-Day. Jadi besok saat hari H baru 24 jam teman-teman bisa mengerjakan itu. Jadi waktunya lama, tapi tidak 1 mingguan atau seperti project-project kelas lainnya, because this is essay. So later on Mbak Elna, Mbak Dila, Mbak Siti, Mbak Wafa, Mbak Devi, Mbak Francisca Hilda, Mbak Rivo ya, can consider about this. Ini sekaligus saya mempresensi kehadiran ya. We have Mbak Elna, Dwi Ana, we have Mbak Dila Septi, we have Mbak Siti ya, and we have Mbak Wafa, Nabila, and we have Mbak Devi, we have Mbak Devi Handayani ya, we have Mbak Francisca Hilda, and we have Mbak Rivo. Ya, besok soalnya ada 7 number. Ya, the key is about your understanding related with the X-bar analysis. Pokoknya tentang X-bar semua. Mungkin nanti pertanyaan 1 tentang change the X-bar, the tree structure analysis from flat structure into X-bar analysis gitu misalnya. Lalu you can explain about one replacement, you can explain about thing related with X-bar ya. And then you can have phrase analysis, adjective analysis, prepositional phrase analysis, and extra. Ya. Lalu yang X-bar itu kan tentang projection. Nanti mungkin teman-teman bisa jelaskan tentang what is maximal projection, what is intermediate projection, and what is the minimal projection from this analysis. Okay. Nah, itu secara lengkap akan saya berikan saat hari H ya. Nah, ada yang baru masuk ini Mbak Adibah ya. Dan lain-lainnya coba akan saya presensi dulu. Any questions so far about X-bar analysis? We have Mbak Dila, Mbak Hana, Mbak Siti, Nur Nadina, Mbak Anisatul Adibah, Mbak Devi, Mbak Elna, Mbak Francisca Hilda. Nah ini ada yang baru datang ya, Mas Nur Ilmi Ahmad. Nanti bisa lihat rekaman. Then we have, wait for a minute, Mbak Rivo, Mbak Wafa, ya. Dan Mbak Erviana. Mbak Dila, maybe you turn on the audio. Do you have any questions? Mbak Dila Septi?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. The key is reading, because the question mostly taken from the Andrew Carney books, yeah, a PDF that's spirited, that is also given in each meeting. Yeah, so you can consider about reading that materials. Yeah, keep it. on the D-Day, you may use any kind of references. Ya. Yang tidak boleh sama adalah nanti ya, you cannot ask your friends related with the answer. Of course, this is prohibited. But if you see, you look, you watch maybe the video, read any kind of book, yeah, you are allowed to do this. Yeah, we have tadi 12 participants, now 11. So maybe it's related with the internet connection, but it's okay. I really understand this. If you do not have any question, maybe this is the last chance before I upload the final examination instruction, yeah, next week. Remember, this is not project, so I cannot upload this now. So you may be patient, and then on the D-Day, you may do that in 24 hours. But before that, you need to prepare by reading X-bar theory, how to read X-bar, projection, yeah, maximal, minimum, projection, what is that? One replacement, what is that? Yeah, so you need to do your work about it. Oke, kalau tidak ada, saya akan coba upload the last meeting record. So later on, if we have the short review, you can check on the link. If there is no question, I will end this meeting. Tidak ada yang ditanyakan?
Not yet, sir.
Ya, happy reading
Not
ya,
yet, sir.
Mbak Devi and others. Ya, the important things in basic competence. Ya, kalau yang kayak syntax, English phonology is about reading the material. Oke, thank you very much karena ini kelasnya yang teoritis sekali ya. Jadi teman-teman belum ada project yang seperti English for Broadcasting atau seperti ke misalnya nanti ya semantik pragmatik ya. Okay. Once again, thank you very much for having here in the last meeting. I hope you can have a nice studying ya, whether the topic is about syntax. Dulu saya itu S1 syntax juga ya kok ada mata kuliah ini toh. Nah, karena memang butuh banyak perenungan ya. Karena ini termasuk teori-teori dan analisis. Okay, see you on the D-Day. I hope you all get beneficial things related with this course and stay healthy. Then have a good preparation related with the final examinations. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.